Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we got all this cut out. He did that today while I was at work, so we're just gonna tack this in now. I'm gonna start the old welder up and we'll get to it. So I'll go grab my welding helmet just real quick. So that piece that we're using, that's from the old F250 that we're restoring, and don't worry, we still have that. We're just taking on more projects because that's kind of like what we like to do, whether it be good or bad. That's just kind of how we operate. So we're gonna tack that in. Do you want to hold that?
Okay. That's how you hold it?
Yeah. Yeah, that looks good.
How are we going to tack that with my finger there? Here, you hold this.
Okay. We don't want to electrocute him.
I can't get my fingers burnt, eh?
Yeah. Do you want the gloves?
Where's that magnet? Oh, geez, then we hold it there.
Okay.
Yeah, you can't get in there now.
Probably not easily.
Okay, just wait a sec. Does it look right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, see if I can get the magnet in here. There. Well, it's not lined up here though, eh? It looks pretty good there. Just go over tack right there.
Alright, sounds good.
Yeah. Remember, this piece wasn't crimped right from the factory.
No. Where can I ground it?
Actually, where's your ground? It's a tough corner to work.
Yeah. Try that.
Right there.
Alright.
Does it look? It's a tough one.
Yeah. I think that's good.
We'll just leave it there. Like I say, this piece it's not molded right.
No.
They didn't crimp it right, so.
Yeah. We said that when we were working on the big truck.
Fill it right in there, just one gap.
Okay. Do you want to hold that?
Yep. Oh yeah, I better not look, eh?
Yeah, that won't help.
The day is getting long.
Oh, it's not switching. Guys, no, it's not switching back.
Oh, you got the light in the back of your helmet. You have to shut that off.
Oh, it's bright.
Yep. There you go.
I can't see without your light.
Okay, I'll close my eyes.
Alright.
My hand is burning.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah, I think that's good there.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, it looks like.
She held.
Yeah. Okay, let's just shut the door here.
Nice.
Yeah, you need a drape down the back of your head.
Yeah.
Off your helmet for those big lights.
Yeah.
That's nothing wrong. Okay.
That's it fully shut.
Oh,
She came loose.
I think so, yeah. Let's see if we can give that another tack. Can you give that another tack?
Yeah, I think it held.
I want to move it a little more. Get a little rougher with it. Yeah, just bridge her across, build the weld,
Okay.
and then we'll just cut off the mini grinder.
Alright, so I'm gonna come in here.
Okay.
Let's see.
That should do it, right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
My helmet is off that entire time too.
Really? Okay. Yeah, look, that's working out. See the
Yeah.
cab opening up there?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
That's where we want it. You can see it. This part here.
Mm-hmm.
That's where we want her. Right there. It looks good along there. You hold this camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing. A little banging won't do. Right there looks good, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to get the big creepers. We're going to put a buckle on that, but that's got to be refixed anyways. So.
Yeah.
You just got to go down a little more.
Yeah.
Put the camera up there. Yeah, that, I think that's going to do it, Stuart.
Yeah, I think so.
What's it look like there?
Looks pretty straight.
We'll do a little more tacking and. Okay, so we need a self-tapper. We'll screw into there and then weld the end of the stud.
Okay.
Okay, now you can put the camera down there, John. Looks pretty lined up there.
Yeah.
Oh, so still. They're not cutting it.
No.
We got a bad batch.
Yeah, we did. And we know it's not the drill because we used mine and it still wouldn't cut.
That looks good there.
Can I put her up a little?
Up.
You're right there. We have to bring her down a little now.
Okay. Doesn't want to cut.
No.
Okay, I'll go in there and screw.
Okay.
Hey, I have to drill it. The impact drill bits.
Yeah.
Those are the best. Okay, so it look pretty good
Yep.
right there. Don't worry with this, we can snip that.
Yeah.
This is heavy steel, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get a screw.
Just back and forth.
There we go.
Finally.
And then we can snip that off, put a weld on it, eh?
Yeah.
It looks good to me, boys.
Yep.
This has to be bent by hand. They screwed up when they made that, eh?
It's weird, eh?
And that's where they screwed up.
So we got another piece, and it was really good
Yeah.
for the passenger side.
There's where they screwed up.
Yeah.
See that mark?
Yeah.
Yeah, the passenger side was perfect.
Yeah. So the driver's side, it got all willy wonk.